Hello friends, today I would like to discuss with you the build plate leveling which can be done with the help of the spirit level. So if you could see this particular object, that is this is a 3D print of a architectural drawing floor plan. So you can see here basically at this particular point of time there is no contact with the build plate. So we generally encounter is we don't have the exact, there might be some over removal of material on the build plate, or excess removal or minimal removal with respect to the paper method that we are doing for the leveling. So this has been adjusted well, as this one has been adjusted without any variation. I mean the build plate is properly aligned in such a way that it is properly leveled in such a way that we could get a good print over here. So how to diagnose this particular problem, and how to prevent this particular problem with the help of the spirit level. So I will not be using the paper method for leveling the build plate. So I will be discussing the spirit level method. So here in this particular spirit level method, we just ensure to see that this particular bubble, whatever you can see here, the bubble is in center. Okay. So here we have the screws, leveling screws on all the four sides. We have all these four sides leveling screws over here. So what we try to do is that we try to adjust these particular screws in such a way that we take all the four corners, in the sense that we keep it over here. This is the first leveling we do. We adjust the screws such that the bubble is exactly at the middle. I have already set the build plate leveling, so you don't find any variation. It is almost in the middle. The bubble is in the mercury level is in the middle. Again you take this to this side straight. Okay, you can see again the same thing. Okay, again you can see it in this position. Again you can see it in this particular position. So four positions are completed. Now again there might be sometimes there might be deviations with respect to cross that might be happening. So I also literally check along with these four screws. I also check that I keep it in the cross direction, this direction, and again I set the screws on either side of the corners. Again I keep it this direction. So in all these sides, when I see it, when the bubble is exactly at the center, I am convinced that the bed is leveled, and this had quite drastically improved the prints which are coming up, after this particular leveling that has been taking place. Before that, there was a lot of wastage and problems that are actually coming up. So now it is very beautifully run. My machine is under my control. I'm no more doing any paper leveling. Okay, by adjusting the screws. This is the most simplest method I have diagnosed for build plate leveling. Thank you very much.